Hi there, Alex here from CoSupport AI, and today I'll walk you through the process of setting up a knowledge base for your AI agent. And let's start with the main page. It pops up when you click on the AI knowledge bases from the left-hand menu. Here, you can see the list of all the knowledge bases you've created, including their names, projects they're assigned to, and some quick action buttons to rename a knowledge base, assign it to a project, or delete altogether. To create a new knowledge base, just click on Create New button on the top right side of the screen and put some name for it. In case you have multiple different knowledge bases, use the search function to quickly locate the one you're looking for. Let's open the new knowledge base I just created. Since it's a new one, it will be empty, but it's really easy to add data sources to it. Just hit Add Source button and you'll see different options here. The first one is the FAQ. FAQ is a perfect way to add an answer to some particular question. So you just add the question, add the answer, hit save, and that's it. You can have as many FAQs as you want. The next source is files. We support multiple different formats, so all you have to do is to select the files in question from your laptop. You can also create folders just to keep the knowledge base organized. It will not affect the AI performance, so that's just for your convenience. So I just created 2 folders. Now let's move the files I just added to the relevant folders. If you want to move the files in bulk, click on the Move icon on the top right side of the screen. Then select the files you want moved and confirm the folder. If you want to move just one particular file, click on the Move icon next to the respective file name and select the folder. Then we also have the website source, so you can basically scrape the content from your website. There are 2 options here. If you want to scrape just one particular page, then disable the Sync Nested Pages option. But if you want to include all the subpages as well, then enable it. Additionally, there is the auto-sync feature here. It basically triggers the rescraping process on a weekly or monthly basis. And this is really helpful because you won't need to manually trigger this process with time. Once the website is added, you can modify the auto-sync configuration. And if you open this data source, you will see all the pages and sub-pages that were scraped. You can also integrate external data sources with your AI knowledge base. For example, we have a ready-to-go integration with Zendesk data sources, including Help Center articles and tickets. For this demo, let's proceed with the Help Center option. So all I have to do is to add my API details and the integration will be done. The cool part about integrations is that they have real-time sync, meaning that whenever I update already existing articles or add some new content, all the updates are automatically pushed to the knowledge base. But of course, you can disable it if that's your preference. If you open that data source, you can see all the help articles that were synced. If some data sources get outdated, you can easily remove them. And once your knowledge base is ready, you can assign it to your AI agent. That would be it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.